Good morning from the coast. I'm on my way to the beach to play a little radio. Conditions have been crazy the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 days, just horrible. And I can't wait to get out there because I have something new. I have this little, I should say big, but yet little antenna. This is the REZ, the 17, it's called the 17C for compact or whatever. It collapses down to 17.5 inches and it extends to 17.5 feet, which is perfect, 17.5. I can use their 4-to-1, the X-Form 4-to-1 underneath it and have a multi-band antenna, or I could put their coil under it, use it for 40, or just trim it down and make a quarter wave vertical for everything from 20 all the way to 6 meters. Now, if you look at it compared to their regular 17-foot, the regular 17-foot REZ whip, pretty big difference. And I like that because I plan on doing a lot of traveling. I'm trying to put as much power and as much kit in a bag. That bag, to be honest, I just got it. I want to be able to carry everything with me on my shoulders to the beach as I travel and do some DXing and some DX travel. I love my bucket. As a matter of fact, I still have the bucket. I'm carrying it out today. I use it for a stand. But when I'm traveling overseas, I go to Australia, what have you, it can be kind of tough to do that. So I'm putting together a kit of everything that I want to travel with. If you've watched and followed the channel, you know I've been radios and the FTX1 and how I got that or what have you, and an amp to use and that type of thing. So I've got all that together in one bag. And I think the final thing, because this will fit in the bag, is to have the antenna, the coax, the battery, the radio, the tuner, you name it, it's all in the bag. And it's really what I've been working on to travel with. And I may even change it some. This is really my first outing this morning with the bag that I will travel with. So let's head to the beach and I'll pull out my bag with my new little telescopic whip antenna and we'll have some fun. Come along. And we're here, the northern shores of Virginia Beach here. This is the where the Chesapeake Bay enters the Atlantic Ocean here. And there's the bag. Let's take a look at the kit I'm putting together, my travel kit per se. This bag, I just got it from we call them TJ Maxx here. It's kind of a discount store here in the States. Inside here, I'm doing this with one hand. We'll open it up. I'm learning the bag too. Okay, here we go. Open it up here. Hang with me, guys. There we go. So you look inside, I'll show you everything that's in here. There's my, for using it as my rig expert antenna analyzer. There's about 5 meters, I think it's 18 feet of high res, high visibility RG8X from DX Engineering. This right here, just like a Carhartt shaving kit, but inside of this is my FTX1 and the microphone, so I figure I'd put that in there. So here you go for the antenna, the spike, the little Z-17C or Z-17C, however you want to say it, English, American English. Right there, the REZ Scout with the X-Form, so I could put that on there. I think that's what we're going to do. I think I'm going to do a true, use the thing to its fullest, 17.5 feet extended. I got some counterpoise wires that I made up some new counterpoise wires for this. I got 3 of them here that are, I think they're about 5 meters long each. I have my tuner. This is the ATU 100 automatic tuner. There's my BioInno 8 amp hour battery. We'll run the amp with that. And then I'm gonna today, the Micro PA 100, I got a choke. And there you go, so that's everything in the bag. I'm gonna set everything up here and we're gonna have fun with the little 17.5 antenna. Okay, here we go. Cool stuff here. This was real quick, easy deployment. And there you go, there is the REZ X-form 4-to-1 on top of the REZ Scout with a spike, and you can see the these are 3 counterpoise wires I've made now. I just made some smaller ones. The ones that come with the REZ are 10 meters long. I usually use 2. You use 3 of them. These are about 5 meters long each, all out towards the salt water. And the coax, what I'm doing, it's kind of acting as a counterpoise too, because I'm choking it at the radio. We'll go back there and look at that in a minute. But really cool, man. I like how this antenna, this telescopic whip, is thick, man. It's just a nice, thick, solid antenna to collapse down so small. To collapse down to 17.5 inches and up to 7.5 feet. Now, here's something I did that I can't do with any of my other antennas, is I have my little Pac-12 capacitance hat. I put it on here. This is the only big antenna outside of the, you know, the Chinese stuff that I could get this to fit. So it's on it. I figured, hey, we're experimenting. We'll see how that works as well. And let's go at it here. I did run a SWR on it, and it's like hovering around 2, as it should be, across the higher bands, most of them. So I could use it as a multi-band antenna. I'll show you what we're doing here. There's the FTX1. There is the Micro PA100 and the ATU100. So 100 watts out of that really cool antenna. Man, this is going to be fun. Now, band conditions have been completely horrible, and it has been brutally hot, and I can feel the heat coming on already. So I don't know how long I'll be able to stay out here, but we'll see. But let's go. Let's have a little fun here with this setup. Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf Oscar.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf Oscar, 5-9, New Hampshire.
Thank you for the 5-9 New Hampshire. You're 5-9 Virginia.
QSL, thank you. Kilo 2 Kilo, QRZ. Kilo Charlie 1. Golf
The amp's not even on. That was QRP, 5 watts. That's awesome.
5-9 New Hampshire.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Golf Oscar, portable in Virginia Beach. Victor Kilo 3, Echo Kilo, VK3 EK there. Rob, can you hear me?
Stroke Delta Lima 9 Papa Kilo. Victor Echo 3 stroke Delta Lima 9 Papa Kilo.
Victor Echo 3 there, stroke. You've got the full call there. You're about a 5-9. Great signal here this morning to the park, my friend.
Yeah, roger that. My call is Victor Echo 3 stroke Delta Lima 9 Papa Kilo. A 5-9 over here as well.
Oh, that's all. What part of Canada are you in?
I'm in Ontario, Canada, roger.
Roger that, roger that. You here for the World Cup?
No, I'm not. Actually, just visiting family.
Oh, great. Yo, wonderful signal. You sound amazing here. I'm sitting on the beach in Virginia Beach.
That's lovely. I'm sitting on Miller Lake here. That's near the city of Parry Sound, and I'm running 100 watts through the FT891 and an NFET antenna. Roger, World.
Roger that, roger that. I have a FTX1 and a PA100 amplifier, so I have 100 watts as well. I have a vertical, the REZ telescopic whip vertical here right by the ocean.
Yeah, that's going very well, and congrats on the FTX1. Well, I'm browsing over the band and see if I can reach NEDX. Thank you very much, Walt, for the activation, and enjoy. 73.
Thank you, my friend. 73. This is Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar CQ POTA from Park US 1299. Yeah, we got you there. Your noise, boy, the band is horrible there. I just got you right above the noise, about a 4x4, about a 4x4 here on the beach there, my friend. Roger that. Well, hey, at least we made the contact there, my friend. Let me... QSL VK3BAB. This is K4OGO. We copy. You're about a 5x5 here as I sit portable on the beach in Virginia Beach there. Back to you.
Okay, just hear the noise coming. Now you're on the read about four and three, but the noise is coming up as I want to, so I'll get somebody to turn on the price on here. But thank you for the 5. My name is Stan. Sierra Tango Alpha November Mr. Stanley, and my QDH is Melbourne, 400 watts to a 4-month over.
Yes, miserable conditions today. Not just band conditions, they were miserable, but man, it's hot. I got the air conditioner on. I hope you're not listening to my air conditioner run, but it's hot. I had to come up here and call it because really it wasn't, what do I say, not enough juice for the squeeze there. It was able there towards the end to finally make a couple, made a VK2 and a VK3 contact, although they weren't stellar. It's good to know I could do it. The antenna, this little telescopic whip, is so cool. It's a really cool, for the size, I can get this in a bag now and pack it. So I can carry everything in that bag I got right down on the beach with me. So I'll travel with it. I'm sure this and the spike and stuff like that, when I'm flying, I'll put it in check luggage because it could be somewhat of a weapon type thing, I think, considered. I don't want to go through that. But once I get to my destination, I throw all this back in the bag and I can go out on beaches anywhere in the world. And that's the whole idea. It was fun to play around with this little thing, the little capacitance hat. It's got an Allen head screw. It just screws right on. This is one of the few big telescopic whips I've found that it fits on. Some of the other ones, the head's too big on it. I can't get it on there. So these are hard to find. If I can find a link, I'll try to share it. Just look for JPC 12 capacitance hat, and this is like an AliExpress Bango. This is definitely a Chinese thing there, but it's kind of cool. You just screw it on the top. You screw in 4 little tiny telescopic whips, then you extend them out. A lot of theory. I don't want to argue about it. It's look. They make it electrically longer. Yes, maybe. Does it lower the takeoff angle? Yes, maybe. I don't know. I'm playing with it. It's fun. I will tell you this. I have made one gray line early morning 40-meter contact to Australia, and it was using one of these on the top of the whip. I was on the beach on the Outer Banks of North Carolina. So, hey, you know what? It's something to experiment with and have some fun with, and that's what I did. So there you go, man. What a cool little piece. I love it. I'm really excited because now I really think I have that whole pack dialed in to travel with. I do kind of want a backup plan too, maybe take something small with me, and I have that one as well. I have an older FT817ND. It has its own internal battery too, so it's small, kind of smaller than the FTX1, so I can just throw it in the kit with that maybe. And 5 watts, it'll drive the amplifier. I do have that other 50 watt amplifier as well, so I'm going to play around. We'll call this my Go Bag 1.0. I'll play around with some stuff and maybe we'll tweak it, add to it, maybe take away or whatever, but I'm really loving, I mean, with this antenna now, I can do the 17.5 with the 4-to-1 X form underneath it, and then after that, I could add the coil on it and take it to 40 meters as a vertical, which I'll probably do. I need to do that soon because when I'm over in Australia, I'm definitely going to do some 40-meter POTA, and then we'll go from there. If you saw me today operating POTA, when I'm on the beach in the morning and I'm operating POTA, conditions are horrible DX-wise, so, but was finally able to make a few. But anyway, that's that was fun. It was a fun morning. Thanks for coming along. I'll get back out. I think on my next outing here in another day or two, I'm going to come to the same spot in the evening, especially as it's supposed to cool down. We're in a horrible heat wave, and the temperatures should start coming back down in the 80s Fahrenheit, not 100, and cool down a little bit. Maybe I'd make some evening with this. Maybe the FT817ND, maybe I'll get that out this week during the night, maybe make some European DX or in that direction in the evenings in the gray line. So anyway, thanks for coming along. All this was made possible to me by my affiliation with DX Engineering. They're really putting this, I can play with neat stuff. with their affiliation and people using my affiliate link to purchase stuff like this, it gives me the opportunity to do things like travel. And that's really what I really want to start adding to this channel. It's some really cool destinations, thanks to DX Engineering. So if you're going to buy yourself something, please do it through my affiliate link, and please consider shopping at DX Engineering. They're awesome, and they really are making my channel go right now, and I appreciate it so much. All right, guys, till next time, I'm Salty Walt, K4OGO. Stay salty, my friends.